Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Capricorn. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind, take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again today. And if you're new here, Capricorn, we welcome you. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Capricorn, the cards I have on the table for you right now. Oh, a little bit of emotional unhappiness here, Capricorn. Thinking of moving on for a fresh new beginning somewhere else. After feeling totally betrayed. But, oh, beautiful. Okay, so things are going to look up. Yes, there is a reconciliation or a reunion happening soon here, Capricorn, for you. Just when you thought it's time for me to go solo dolo here and just move on to a brand new life, and things are totally ended. There is no wish fulfillment. My happily ever after is in jeopardy. Things have totally halted. I have a King of Pentacles in the upright coming to make all your wishes come true. Okay, so hold your hats here. Okay, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, and oh, my energy levels suddenly went up. Let's see what's happening here for you. Capricorn and their person, spirit. Capricorn and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? It makes me happy to do happy readings. All right. And I really hope this ends up good for you. I do see some beautiful cards here. Okay, Capricorn. That too after feeling it's all over. Okay. We take one more. I'm in a good mood now seeing these cards. Okay. And let's take a few from here, Capricorn. Capricorn. And their person, if they could say something to each other, spirit, what would that be? One more. Capricorn and their person. All right. And I'm going to take a few messages from the heart as well, Capricorn. And one more. Okay, good to go. Let's begin our reading now, Capricorn. Let's see what this love bite has for you. The first card says, I get so frustrated by the intense telepathy, the dreams, and the strong sexual energy, even though I'm alone. Your hunger and desire for me has me burning up, but you're nowhere to be found. The passion is an all-consuming, inextinguishable fire, and it's driving me crazy. I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. I try to detach and let go, but then I get flooded with telepathy, dreams, and your strong sexual energy, which takes me over. My God, two cards saying almost the same thing. Somebody is detached, but yet cannot be, detached because the connection feels that strong. Why is the best fruit forbidden? Damn, I know that we shouldn't, but I just can't resist you. The magnetic pull is just too intense in your presence. I just can't stop myself. Yes, Capricorn, somebody is getting pulled back into your aura now for a reunion, it seems. Can't do without you. I just want to hold you now. It's been too long since you held me close, and I'm aching for you. I love the sound of your voice. I hear you speak with me telepathically. Oh my God. I've never had so many cards together talking about telepathy. I hear you speak with me telepathy, and in my dreams, I long to talk with you again. I can't bear the thought of you being with someone else. I get so jealous. I just want you to be mine. My mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I've made. I've been suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious because things have ended. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. Capricorn, what's going on? I have an addiction, and I think that addiction could be each other here. I don't see any other addictions here except for this strong magnetic connection that you guys feel towards each other. Okay, so Capricorn, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. See what my angels have for you. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Capricorn and their person spirit, a blessing for them, or just for Capricorn. Miracle. This is the first time I've got this card in a really long time. So expect a miracle here, Capricorn. Okay, or maybe somebody's praying for a miracle here. Okay, so Spirit, what's this Fool card here that I have? Fool with the Ten of Swords. Fool with the Ten of Swords. Yes, something ended. Something really totally came to a... Yes, somebody... Some things came out. Some secrets were revealed. Somebody is now feeling a bit powerless here. Maybe they were trying to be a bit dictatorial and not giving to the connection, but some things came out in the open. Yes, they have a lot of love for this feminine. Whoever this person is missing their feminine, who they feel is very loving, kind, beautiful, intuitive, maybe because of this person's behavior or whatever was said or exposed. I think this Queen of Cups kind of turned her back and said, hey, listen, I don't want this anymore. It's better that, I go off for a fresh new beginning for myself. Or maybe this emperor now feeling they've lost the battle and they want to have a re-beginning, a restart, because both of you are feeling very down and out. There's been like a feeling of all is lost. Things kind of became a bit imbalanced here in this connection, Capricorn, and maybe because of that somebody walked away. Yes, this King of Pentacles was probably not ready, was not committing or not grounded, or was only after their money or finances, or not taking this connection seriously, and that seemed like an imbalance to the connection, where the feminine maybe felt, if this is not going to happen, then I might as well walk away from the connection. Am I right, Spirit? Yes. Somebody walked away and that led to no communication between the two of you. Somebody felt that they were being kept in illusions, or somebody was tricking them, and they felt the only way to get back balance in their life was to walk away from the connection. Four of Wands in reverse. Four of Wands in reverse. Four of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Yes, I think this connection kind of came to a bit of a standstill here, because the offer was not made, or it just didn't come together of having this happily ever after. Somebody lost hope. Somebody totally lost hope to feel their wishes of having this happily ever after is just not going to happen, and there is no point of having a reconciliation or coming back together if there's not going to be any forward movement. And yes, the tower did come down. Somebody created a tower moment, the tower fell, and everything felt like it's over. Page of Pentacles in reverse, which is stagnancy to its highest form. Yes, or either somebody made a decision to bring it to a halt. I'm not going to wait around forever, be at crossroads for the rest of my life. If you're not going to commit, or you're not going to do the right thing, then I am not going to wait around either. I'm making a decision for myself. And what was the decision, Spirit? What was this decision? Yes, as much as they liked their person, As much as they admired them, they felt that the person was too involved maybe in their own life, maybe had their own things going on, and this Queen of Cups, I think, decided to turn her back on them and say, all right, if you're not going to make a decision regarding us, then I'm turning my back and I'm making the decision that I'm ending this with you. I'm not interested. So, King of Pentacles now, Spirit. King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Oh, this King of Pentacles is now ready, but now they know that their person is very upset and angry with them. And what else, Spirit? Oops, too many cards. King of Pentacles, Spirit. King of Pentacles. Yes, this King of Pentacles now wants to end this burden of whatever fight has happened or whatever has been overwhelming in this connection of whatever arguments, fights, or whatever reason there is for the stagnancy to happen. This King of Pentacles is now waiting for this Queen of Wands to maybe kind of cool off a little bit. And Star. Yes, they want to end the fight now. They're hoping and wishing that sooner or later, we can end this fight now. Why, Spirit? They're very scared. They're really scared that their person is not going to forgive them, that their person has now lost trust with them, is that upset and angry, which probably, cut their head off if they go towards them right now. So they are wishing and hoping and praying for a miracle. They are. Why? Because they won the Nine of Cups. They know this connection makes them really, really happy. And they don't want to let go. They want to hold on to this feminine. They don't want to let them go. Because now that the fight has happened, now they don't feel as strong anymore. They feel, in fact, abandoned and left out in the cold. And that's the reason they really want to hold on to this connection, because they've realized that this is what makes my wishes come true and this is what makes me happy. Nine of Cups. So, Spirit, what is this Three of Cups now? Is that a reunion coming up? Three of Cups. Somebody wants to work on it, that's for sure. Somebody wants to take measures now to put in the work that they never did in the past. What else, Spirit? One more? One more? Why do they want to put in the effort? The Lovers. The attraction is just too much not to have. This is a very strong connection, Capricorn. Somebody now wants to work towards their love. They want this reunion. They are coming, so I guess expect a message, right? Now it's totally up to you. Will you give them a second chance? I don't know. They have done something sneaky in the past, right? They have done something which has upset this feminine energy. It's totally up to you whether you would like to, I think you would, because this magnetic pull is just too strong here. This is strong. So yes, they want to come forward. They want to start a brand new chapter, start again, start from scratch, build it up once again, step by step by step, and make things happen now. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. I hope it happens for all of you who are going through separation right now, Capricorn. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.